guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 9 days until Christmas. We're in single digits, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite Christmas drinks, which is an eggnog latte, and I like it both hot and both cold. I don't like eggnog by itself really. I have to drink eggnog that has almond milk because normal eggnog makes me sick for some reason. I don't really know why. So anyway, this is my version of an eggnog latte using almond milk. Starting with 2 espressos. I'm using decaf because it's kind of late. Now you take your iced espresso and pour in however much eggnog you want. I just use this almond breeze. I'm going to add ground cinnamon to the top, and you can add nutmeg too. If you want to get a little crazy, add some whipped cream on top. And then finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon. And there you have your yummy iced eggnog latte, and now it's time to make a hot one. To start, of course, you're going to need your espresso. I'm using my favorite Grinch mug. Pop in your espresso. You're going to need milk and eggnog, and I like about half and half. Half milk, half eggnog. If you like more eggnog, you can add more eggnog. And we're going to froth this. Next, add some cinnamon. It's a little too full. And stir in the cinnamon. Try not to spill it. It's so good. And here is your hot latte. I've already been sipping on this one because it's just so good. I also like when you get a little whipped cream on the lip. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe with the bubble on the screen. And I can't wait to show you guys what's going to happen tomorrow.